guys, we're in the Jollibee.
Yeah, we are in the Jollibee.
Nagtuan sila ng
You know why the nindot ng camera quality? You know why the camera quality is good? Because he said his storage is no, it's puno, and instead he borrowed my cell phone, and yeah, it's okay. This is why the camera quality na is good.
but the brightness is very low.
Yeah, I know you can put the brightness up in the cell phone. And
Jollibee guys, kasi ako napag-boss amo.
yeah, they said the mosquito is going here.
Where?
Look at, it's going here. Oh, never mind. Mosquito. Hello, mosquito.
Patay yung mosquito.